Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, please hit the subscribe and notification button. If you want to see how I got this look using the Kat Von D Metal Matte palette, please keep watching. Hey everybody, welcome back, So we are going to do a little Throwback Thursday today, and it's not too far back. We're not throwing too far away. But we are going to do a look with the metal palette. You know, Kat Von D. This is what the inside looks like. It is absolutely amazing. And we are going to do, well, I don't know what I'm going to do. But we are going to dig into this palette. We are going to have some fun. So, I've got this big mirror here. Doesn't look like... Just kidding, guys. That's the wrong brush, goofball. Alright, I'm going to go into this color right here, the suede. And we are going to put that on our eyelids. I never pull this palette out because it is so big. But I love it every time I do. I'm like, why don't you use this palette more? You're crazy for not doing it. Alright, I'm going to go into this color Oak right here, this darker brown, and we're going dead in that crease. We're just going to darken it up. We're not even going to play around today. We're just going to... That seems awfully odd. It came off kind of blackish. But that might just be the tone of it. It's okay. It's okay, we'll make it work. Yeah, it's the tone of the shadow. I don't recall it being this color, but it's been a while. It's been a while. So we're just darkening up that crease some. Because I'm going to start to get a little bit wild. Not really. Alright, I'm going to go in with this green right here because it wouldn't be a week if we didn't do a green shade, right? We're going to go into it. It's called Moss. Moss. And it is beautiful. It is just absolutely gorgeous. That moss color is. We're going to put that up into our crease some. We'll come back to it. Let's clean that up. Yes, because I am getting ready to get crazy with shimmers. So, who says that you're not supposed to wear shimmer shades after your, I don't know, one of those other silly makeup rules. Alright, so we're going to go into this color right here. It's called What? Like what? And I doubt, yes, I doubt I had to use any moisture for Miss D's stuff to show up. Isn't it very exciting? She's pregnant. So excited for her. If you've been following Kat Von D for a long time, I mean like before she ever had a show about the tattoo shop. She was actually on another tattoo show. I can't remember the name of it. But, you know, she's pretty damn fabulous. She's very talented, beautiful. We're going to go into this shade right here. It's called Ignite. And these are more on the blue side of That's beautiful. I have not hit this brush once with any water or anything. Not once. What you're seeing me do is I'm wiping it off. Because I really like this brush to pick up shimmer. So now we are going into this shade right here. It's called Tencel. It's like a greenish silvery color. And we're going to put that... Damn. Let me put this out. I didn't need to do that brown. Would have been better off without going brown in our crease, but that's okay. Hindsight is 20/20. It's alright. We're gonna fix it up. We're gonna fix it up. Fix it up. We're gonna go back into that green and we are gonna start putting a lot of green in that crease. Let's see if we can get rid of the black. Wow. Wow. I'm loving this. Now you might be able to get this palette still on her site. I'm actually going to take some of that Tencel and see if I can put it in my inner corner and, you know, if I place it right. Yeah, I knew it. If I placed it right, it would get a little bit lighter. So it's getting lighter as it goes over my eyes. The barer the skin, the lighter it gets. I'm very excited. I'm going back into that moss shade to go under my eye so we can really green this up. Get it? Green this up, like clean this up. Looks lovely. We're going to be right back. I'll be right back. We are going to go find the perfect lip shade. Alright guys, I'm going to get my Amore Shine out. This is in the shade Temptation. We're going to put some mascara back on. My eyebrows are just struggling with brows right now. I'm tempted to go back to a pomade, but I don't know if I'm ready for all that. All right. This turned out wonderful. I love it. I need to remember it next time I wear green. As much as I like green eyeshadow, I hardly ever wear green. Alright guys, that is it. So what do you think? I'm really liking it. Alright guys, thanks so much for watching. And we are just going right along this weekend, getting our videos ready. Liz has asked me to film another look with the Kat Von D 10th anniversary palette. Liz, I have it out. I don't know that I will get to it today, but I will definitely get to it for the week. So, yeah. Alright guys, I love you so much. Please, please, please go out and check out #IamACreator and show the love that I know you guys have. Mwah.